In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background on your video using InShot. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. So I have here this video and I'd like to go ahead and remove the background so that we only remain with the objects or the main point of focus, which is these two ladies dancing. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to this bar here and then scroll until you see this option called cut out, and here it is. So if you go ahead and click on it, you will see we have two options here, cut out and chroma. To remove the background, go ahead and tap on cut out, and immediately this will go ahead and load and then remove the background of your video instantly. So for this case, there's this leg cut out here because there was an object here, so it cut out every object that was behind and in front of it, and therefore I only remained with these two ladies dancing. Once you're done, go ahead and click on OK, and now look at that video. The background has completely been removed. So that's how you remove background on your videos using InShot video editor. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.